So we'll be needing the jewelry cleaner and precious stones, lukewarm water, and we need also the polishing cloth. This one's for gold and this one's for silver. We will also be needing a cloth. Okay, so this is a 24K gold. See, it's already tarnished. It's been with me for how many years, and look. So we'll put this and dip it here in the cleaner for 30 seconds. Okay, now we're going to use the inner lighter color as instructed, the white part. We'll check if we can remove any dirt, additional dirt. Yup, there is. Okay, so from this heart pendant, now you see there's a lot of dirt that was removed already here, the top one. Now we're going to use the outer darker color cloth. Okay, I'll use the other end. This one. This is actually color purple. So this is the inner cloth that's used to remove dirt, and this one is for buffing and polishing. Wow. It's way shinier now. There's a dent already in the heart. Whoa, that's only for the necklace. Then for the buffing and polishing part, the other side or the outer side of the cloth. So this is now the after polishing and buffing part. It's way better than it was in the beginning, right? And this is the pendant. This is only like first dipping and first polishing, but it's way better already. Okay, so another one is a pair of gold earrings. This was from my mom. See how dark it is already? You see that? Oh my god. This is what? Oh my god. Just for the pair of earrings. But this is now Now we're going to try with the white gold. It has diamonds in it.